Kain tayo, guys. It's lunch. So, ninit ko lang yung natira kahapon. Nung nagluto ako kahapon. Para hindi sayang. So, meron tayong yung pakbet, tapos pineapple, tsaka raspberry. And then, kanin with garlic.